Today we to rush it. Yeah. Hello everyone, come on, better with me. I'm just kidding, I'm not going to eat it.
You're not going to eat it? Yeah, you can eat the rocket? We're going to launch the rocket.
Yeah, because I'm not going to eat that.
Alright, so what we got? We got, looks like the rocket. We got to build that guy. Oh, the launch pad. The parachute. Alright, let's build the launch pad first, you think?
Yeah, because and what takes have to go one right there and right there.
And this. Alright, grab me the rocket. Hand me the rocket, buddy.
Okay.
Alright, let's open this one. Okay, so now we gotta attach the parachute. You want to hand me the parachute, Landon? Hand me that, please.
Okay.
So we're gonna take this,
And I can hold this.
wrap it like this. So here, watch. So we'll wrap it through. We're gonna stick this through, like this. So that way, when it goes, it's gonna go like that. It's gonna open up as it falls, so this thing doesn't break. How cool!
Daddy, are we going to put it in like in here?
6 or 7 squares. Watch. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and
7.
7 squares of wadding. So we have to bundle these things up and drop them down. Boop. Boop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now we have this. I'm going to fold it down first. We'll fold it down first. And then we're going to fold it over a couple times, it looks like. Here, I'll shove it in there.
Why do we shove it in there?
Because that's when the parachute shoots us. Now we got to throw all this stuff in there too. All the cords go in. Oh, they put all the cords in. All this cord's got to go in. We don't want to tangle them up, so you start at the bottom and you push it in. Boop. 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 Oh, let's go. You can't have any cords. So we got it in there. Push it up. Give it a little twist. And now we're ready to launch the rocket. So we'll put it down. We'll put it down here. Now it's all ready. So now we just got to go out to the park and launch it.
At mine?
We could probably launch it. We got to find a park to launch that. We might be able to launch it at ours. So I just got to see how big it is. Okay?
Is this park right there?
Yeah. Just go straight, right through there. Just cut across.
That me?
Yep. Are you excited to launch these rockets?
I see a bench over there.
Mama sees a bench. Mommy sees a bench.
That's good to place all of our stuff and get ready.
Hey guys, thanks for me.
Oh, sorry.
We'll wait for you.
All right, set up in the shade. Take the safety device off. All right, ready for launch? Okay, stop. You're gonna pull the thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, push the button. Oh, I think Daddy has to help, huh? Ready?
You can't do it.
Push the button. 3, 2, 1. Go get it, Landon. Go get it. Oh, you didn't?
You like that? That was so neat.
Don't put it in, buddy. Three, 2, 1.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Go catch it, Landon. Go catch it. Run and catch it. Go catch it, Landon. Go catch it. Run and catch it. Last one, buddy. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we'll do more?
Should
Should we get? Do you think we should go get more of them? You think we should launch more? Don't do it. Don't touch it. You think we should go get more to launch? I see it. Let me look at the smoke. Whoa, lots of smoke.
Bye. Thank you. Coming on better with me. If you like my video, please click on it.